Hey there, job seekers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down tech tips to make your life easier. Today, we're tackling a common query: how to change your email on Indeed in 2025. Whether you're updating for security reasons, a new job, or just a fresh start, this quick guide will have you sorted in no time. Indeed is a fantastic platform for job hunting, but managing your account details is key to staying on top of opportunities. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Indeed account. Open your web browser, head to Indeed.com, and enter your current email and password. Once you're in, look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and click on it. This will drop down a menu. Select Account Settings or something similar. It's straightforward, but if you're on the mobile app, the steps are pretty much the same. Just navigate to the menu and find Settings. Now, in the Account Settings page, scroll down until you see the section for your email address. Click on Edit or Change next to your current email. You'll be prompted to enter your new email address. Type it in carefully, double-check for typos, and then hit Save or Update. Indeed might send a verification link to your new email, so keep an eye on your inbox. If you don't see it, check your spam folder. One important tip: before you make the change, ensure your new email is active and you can access it easily. Also, if you're linked to other services like LinkedIn through Indeed, this might affect those connections, so verify everything afterward. The whole process should only take a couple of minutes, but it's crucial for keeping your job applications secure and up to date. There you have it. That's how you change your email on Indeed in 2025. If you run into any issues, Indeed's Help Center is a great resource. Thanks for watching. If this helped you out, hit that like button, subscribe for more career tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. See you in the next video.